Today we're cooking a very familiar vegetable, and we're doing it the Spanish way.
Don't they look like kamote Q? Yes, they're sweet, but you might not believe it. They are made from eggplants or aubergine, and they are typical of this region in Cordova.
And that's exactly what my friends and I are cooking today under the pergola, with success, thus sharing. Warm welcome wherever you are in the world. You're watching Channel 1 where we grow, cook and share. Join me and my friends here under the pergola for some learning and fun. This is quick and easy. We began as where we're doing the introduction. I've added salt here to the water. I'll use the water to soak the slices of eggplant. Salt reduces the water content of the eggplant, making it easier to fry and crunchier. Just slice the eggplants like this.
Stop. The water is met salt.
Manang Grace is wondering why are we putting the aubergines or the eggplant into a salt solution. I don't know if it's true, but that helps in removing, I don't know, the bitterness. Adat ko naming Ilocano, adat. We don't have that equivalent in Tagalog, sorry, adat. It's not pait, but it's adat. Sorry.
Okay,
Ilocano
tevreden.
30 minutes at least is needed to soak the eggplant slices. Now I'm getting rid of the water. And then dry the slices. Dry it in any way you want. Kitchen towel or drip dry, but allow me to use this special centrifugal drying system. It's a toy. Please allow me. We need some flour as well, salt and pepper to flavor the slices. Rebozar. If you will, you can call this dish eggplant rebozado instead. I think it deserves that name better. Salt and pepper there. We'll just mix the flour and the mixture thoroughly. And Manna Grace will do later the flouring. What a word! Flouring of the eggplant slices. Rebozar. We're not wasting time here as the oil heats up. Manna Grace does the flouring of the eggplant slices. She does the rebozar of the eggplant slices.
Yeah.
Everyone is away because it's extremely hot.
Be careful.
As much as possible, avoid using a wok when frying. It's unstable. It can easily tilt and tip over. Be careful. Please be careful. While we're waiting for the eggplant to turn brown, I'd like to show you this. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It's the cathedral, most cathedral in Cordova. And it's available at the other channel for places, events, and cultures. My barrio, my mundo. This dish originated from Cordova. It's believed to have been brought by the Arabs. And the area grows cane sugar. And they use molasses to flavor the dish. And that's what we're doing as well. Back to the dish. We don't have a kitchen towel here to absorb the oil. But I'll just drip dry. I won't be showing you the next batch. I'll just be showing 4 and let's dash through the plating. You might be wondering what sauce is this. It's simply raw brown sugar and water, 50-50. I just boiled it to help dissolve the sugar and thicken the sauce to this consistency. In Spain, they call this Miel de Caña or sugarcane honey. It's not honey, it's just sweet as honey. It's molasses. Voila, it's ready. Berenjena a la Cordobesa. Or simply call it fried eggplant. I'm just curious how the team reacts. Would they like this? Sweet for a side dish. Let's bring it to them.
Pilsje, goed eten. Pauze.
Heerlijk. Vooral met die stroop. Gebrande suiker. Ja, echt heel lekker.
Now, for the eerste keer. First time I taste this.
Are you going to still dip it in soya sauce? And,
No, not anymore.
Okay, thank you.
I will do the same thing what you did.
Heel overvloedig mee, hè? Met
Lekker, Alex?
They all like it. I'm sure you too will like it. Thank you for joining us today. I'd like to leave you with some bonus clips of that event in Cordoba. Incidentally, that week was the Guitar Music Festival. Taste and listen to the dish. See you next time.